Hello and welcome back. So for this week's video, I'm going to start bringing you all my fall themed videos. I'm not really big on fall. It's not my favorite holiday. Personally, my favorite holiday is winter. And since we are in the month of September, that's when I'm going to go ahead and bring you all my fall themed videos. Because last week I brought you literally a Valentine's Day tutorial. And we're literally in fall. So I'm just going to be recreating a brown smoky eye. They're always hard for me to do, but I'm going to try to do them. Just because I haven't tried this palette on my channel yet. This is the Pure Soiree Diaries palette. And this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. Pretty sure I own all of these shades, but it's a really pretty travel palette. And then there's a mirror in it, which is really nice. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I have eyebrows now. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take Stunner, and that is gonna go right on my lid. And I'm gonna blend it out using Splurge. I'm gonna take a little bit of Snazzy, which is a darker shade, and it's gonna go right in the center. I try to blend it out with the same brush. I'm gonna use the transition brush and just go ahead and blend that out. Oh no, it's patchy. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Oh no, she's patchy. Blend, 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 blend. Why are you doing me like this? She's a little bit better. She's not the best, but she'll do for now. Okay, after you look like you just got punched in the face, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop lashes on. Oh, it looks so funny with lashes on. So for primer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. So I personally don't like looking matte all year round. I don't even like looking matte at all, in general. So when I use foundation, I always go for more dewy or satin finish, just anything that's not too matte. And today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow because it is fall and my skin is drying. So soon we're gonna hit winter and my skin's gonna crackle and fall off. But for now, it's starting to dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. Does it look like it's my shade? It's a little too dark, but it's okay, we can work with it. I've been breaking out so much up here. All I've been doing is trying to find ways to clear my skin, but I keep putting foundation over it. And for concealer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm trying to not get this over the eyeshadow because I'm trying to keep this part round and blended. So I'm gonna use a brush to blend out that part. For under my eye, I'm gonna keep it with a sponge. Try to slim down this nose, oh my goodness. I'm gonna take a brush, blend that out in small circular motions. And I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier powder right under my eye. And I'm going to contour using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I have not used this in a very long time. Just gonna go ahead and take the first shade, and then with whatever's left, I just go ahead and run it on the sides of my nose, just to kind of prepare it for the contour that I'm about to do. And I'm actually gonna take a little bit of the middle shade in the palette, run it right on the sides of my nose. And now bronzer. Of course, I'm going to be using the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer in the shade Sunny, which honestly I hate using now because they don't make it anymore. And so I know that once this is gone, it's gone forever. I literally went like that. For blush, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Total Face palette. I'm going to be using the two blushes in this palette. I might mix it in with the bronzer actually. Basically, just bring back the pink in my cheeks. And then finally for highlight, I'm going to be using the ABH Nicole Guerrero Highlighter Glow Kit. Glow Kit, not highlighter, Glow Kit. I'm gonna go ahead and mix in Glow Getter with 143. And I'm gonna take some of Glow Getter. That's gonna go right in the inner corner. Whatever's left on the brush, I'll run on my brow bone. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to take some of Stunner. It's gonna go right on the lower lash. And I take a little bit of Snazzy. And with a clean brush, just gonna blend that out. And for lower lashes, I'm going to be taking L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara. Cool. And I think all that's left are lips. Either this makeup tutorial was really short or I'm just tripping because we're not this makeup tutorial, but how long it took me to do my makeup. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take Jeffree Star's Androgyny. To make it a little bit darker, I added some of this. I don't even know, but it looks like this. But it's just a dark plum shade. It's actually this color, so it's not intense like this. I wish it was, but it's not. We're completed with this look. Awesome, 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 awesome. this was the fall themed look. It is just a brown smoky eye with a not so dark lip. It's okay. It didn't come out exactly how I hoped it would come out, but I still haven't mastered the brown smoky eye. I can cut my crease, I can half cut my crease, but when it comes to smoky eyes, I can't do it. I don't know why. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up because that lets me know that you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to see more of this face. The subscribe button will be around here somewhere. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next week. Bye. But yeah. Yeah.